Miniature roses. They are the true roses and they are really very beautiful. They are small in size, they will not grow much bigger, and also very hardy plants. These plants need the same fertilizer, same sunlight as the other roses. You can grow them by cuttings, and also you can leave it in such a bright sunlight area. Give them full sunlight for maximum flowers and they will bloom really well. So miniature roses, you must give well draining soil and sand mix soil with compost. So easy to grow by cuttings, and also these plants do need sunlight the most. These roses bloom really well in the bright sunlight. So keep the plant in a place where it gets 8 hours sunlight maximum. And after they bloom and dry out, you can just cut them off so that you are encouraging the plant to grow more branches. And see that you cut off these dried flowers. And also when I talk about fertilizer, you can give tea leaves fertilizer as the best. So these plants will grow really well. You can take 2 tablespoons of tea in hot warm water and let it sit for about 2 hours, and when the water is really cool, you can give it as a liquid fertilizer to the rose plant. So this is a short video about miniature roses. If you like growing them, give them a lot of sunlight, and when watering, once daily is necessary. During the rainy season, of course, you don't have to worry about it. Give them a lot of sunlight, and those are the basic tips of growing miniature roses. So thanks for watching. If you are new, consider subscribing to Thamara's Garden. Bye bye, see you soon.